Pebbles the panda. So let's begin in a panda pose. Coming up onto our hands and knees, we walk our hands forwards a little bit and we slowly lower our chest all the way down to the ground. Let's come up to stand without touching our hands on the floor. Here we go. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. Woo! Sitting on our bottoms, legs out to the side, little bend in our knees, we fold forwards and we shuffle our arms underneath our legs. Bob is enjoying the sounds of the stream, the tickle of air on his nose, and the warmth of the sun on his back. Pebbles tucks her toes, walks her hands forwards a little bit and presses up into a lovely downward dog pose. Maybe life really is a bit like this stream and school is on the next bend. Pebbles is rather smartly checking in with all of her fears and feelings. 1, 2, 3. Amazing, very good everyone. I've got this. I can be kind, I can make friends. And so Pebbles leaps in.